If you ever made Stickman animation videos before, you know how long the process used to be. A separate AI tool for the scripts, a different website to generate images, another tool for the voiceover, and then you had to manually edit everything to put the video together. But today I'm going to show you an AI tool that brings this entire workflow onto one single platform. So today we'll see how to give it your topic or a reference video, or this tool automatically creates a complete video with the script, Stickman animation visuals, and AI voiceover in just a few minutes. So let's get started. So to use this tool, first click on the link given in the description box. As soon as the website opens, you will see that its interface is really clean and beginner friendly. If you want to try this tool yourself, make sure to sign up using the link in the description, and when you're creating your account, definitely use my code. With this code, you will get bonus credits so you can test the tool even more easily. And after that, right on the front page, you'll see the complete step-by-step workflow for creating a video. So even if you are using this tool for the first time, everything will be easy to understand. So first, you will see some viral Stickman animation videos here. You can take ideas from these videos or choose any viral YouTube video according to your niche. Since the final output of this tool is in a Stickman animation form, use the reference video only for the idea, structure, and pacing so the AI can get inspired by that style and create a new video for you. So into this video, I'm going to show you two different examples. The first example will be a video that uses 2D animation, and in the second one, we'll use a Stickman animation video as a reference to show you how this tool converts the same concept into Stickman animation in its own unique style. So you can clearly get the idea that this tool isn't limited to just one specific type of video, but it works on different styles and niches of videos. Whether you are using 2D animation, making videos with stock footages, or creating content in any other format, this tool can convert that content into Stickman animation style and create a new version. So first of all, click on Start Create, and after that, the research page will open in front of you. On the research page, you'll get two main options. The first one is your notes, where you can write instructions or additional information related to your video. If you want the AI to write the script in a specific tone, style, or length, add those details here. And the second option is copy a video that works. Here you can paste the link of any viral YouTube video. Then this tool will analyze that video's transcript, understand its hook, pacing, and structure, and then inspired by the same style, it will generate a new original script for you. So first, I'll paste my reference videos link here and click on Analyze. Within just a few seconds, it will analyze that video's transcript and structure, and after that, I'll add my instructions in the Your Notes section. So the AI gets a clear idea of what style and what kind of script you want to generate. So after click on Generate button, we have reached step number 2, where the AI will generate our video's script. At the very top, you'll see the project name and your idea options. In project name, you can write the name of your video, while in your idea, you have to give the AI your video's topic and a short instruction. Here I'll write, create a 30-second educational video explaining the psychology of narcissism in a simple and engaging way, keeping the explanation easy to understand with a strong hook, clear flow, and an interesting ending. And below that, in the From Research section, you'll see the reference video and your notes that we added in the previous step. The AI will combine all this information to generate a new and original script. So whether you are making an educational, motivational, or any other niche video, you just need to change your topic and instruction. And after that, you can select the length, pacing, and aspect ratio according to your needs. Length decides the duration of the video, pacing controls how fast the scene change, and aspect ratio selects the video's format. So once all the settings are complete, click on Generate a Script and move on to the next step. So in the third step, the AI automatically generates image prompts for every scene in your script. As you can see, each scene comes with its own prompt that matches the narration. If you want the AI to generate images, you can either keep these prompts as they are or edit them according to your need. By default, this tool generates stick figured animation, but it isn't limited to that. If you mention a different visual styles in your prompt, such as anime, 3D cartoon, pixel art, whiteboard animation, or any other style, the AI will try to generate images in that style instead. This gives you much more creative freedom depending on the type of video you want to make. And if you already have your own images, you can upload them by clicking Upload Image. And you can choose the aspect ratio so your video is generated in the format you need. So once everything is ready, click Generate Frames. The AI will create images for each scene. And then we'll move on to the fourth step. So in this step, you can either generate an AI voice for your video or upload your own recording. First, select the AI voice of your choice, and after that, the tool will automatically generate narrations for all the scenes in the script. If you want to use your own voice instead of the AI voice, there is an upload audio option in front of each scene. From here, you can upload your recording, and when you use this option, your AI voice creators won't be used. So here I'll select the Adam voice and then click on generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will generate the voiceover for the entire script. And after this, we'll move on to the final step, which is export. And here's our final result.
Why do some people seem obsessed with themselves? Let's talk narcissism. Narcissism is an inflated self-image, ranging from confidence to harmful extremes. Psychologists define two types: grandiose, outgoing and bold, and vulnerable, reserved. Narcissism can harm relationships, as selfish actions often hurt those around them. Causes include genetics, parenting styles, and cultures emphasizing self-promotion. Understanding narcissism can help us grow, starting with self-awareness and empathy.
As you can see, the AI understood the reference video in just a few steps and wrote a new script based on it, generated a stickman animation for each scene, and also added AI voice to it. And the best part is that you can edit the script, image prompts, and voiceover anytime according to your need. This way, without any advanced editing skills, you can create professional-looking stickman animation videos in just a few minutes. And now just click the download button to export your video. Once the video is downloaded, you can share it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or any other supported platform according to your needs. If you want, you can also add some minor editing, background music, or additional effects in any video editor before uploading. And now in this tutorial, we're going to look at one more example. This time too, we'll create the stickman animation video, but the difference will be that instead of using the prompts automatically generated by the AI, we'll write the prompts for each scene ourselves. This way, you'll be able to see how giving your own custom instructions lets you get even more control over the images and the final video. So for this, we'll follow the same steps we saw in the previous tutorial. First, I'll copy the link of this video and paste it into the copy a video box section, and then click on analyze. In just a few seconds, it will analyze the transcript and the structure of the reference video, and after which we'll define custom prompts according to our requirements. So after that, I'll add my instructions in your notes and write the video topic and a short description in your idea. Then as soon as we click on generate, the AI will prepare the script for us. So once the script is generated, we'll move to the generate frames step. This time, instead of using the image prompts given by the AI, I'll manually replace the prompt for each scene. This way, we'll give the AI absolutely clear instructions and get more accurate stickman animation images. So once all the prompts are updated, I'll click on generate frames. The AI will generate images for each scene according to our custom prompts. And after that, I'll go to the voiceover section, select the AI voice of my choice, generate the narration, and finally click on export to download the complete video. And here's our final result.
What if humans don't belong on Earth? The idea isn't so wild. Unlike other species, we burn in sunlight, suffer back pain and allergies. Our evolution feels rushed. Civilization took off in a blink of time. Some scientists suggest life might have been seeded here from another world. Yet biology explains most quirks. Evolution's imperfections or signs of alien roots? Are we Earth's strangest creation, or explorers unknowingly searching for home?
In this tutorial, we tested this tool in two different ways. In the first method, we used the prompts automatically generated by the AI, while in the second method, we wrote custom prompts for each scene ourselves. Both methods gave good results. If you want, you can also mix and use both these methods where you allow the AI's prompt, leave them as they are. And for the scenes where you need better control or different visuals, add your own custom prompts here. This way, you can create even higher quality stickman animation videos exactly the way you want. So now you have seen how easy it has become to make stickman animation videos with the help of this tool, where everything from the script to the voiceover is done in one place. If you also want to try this tool yourself, click on the link given in the description box to sign up, and make sure to use my code when creating your account so you can get bonus credits and test the tool with ease. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, and for more AI tools and tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. Definitely let me know in the comments what topic you'll make your first video with this tool, and if you want a tutorial for any other AI tool, write that down too. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.